The DeMat 5-axis cradle makes intelligent manufacturing more precise and efficient. Large-scale 5-axis rotary tables are primarily utilized in 5-axis simultaneous machining centers for applications such as general mechanical processing, aerospace, and shipbuilding. Conversely, small-scale 5-axis rotary tables are mainly deployed in precision machining equipment, including drilling tapping machines, engraving milling machines, and 3D printers, within sectors such as the 3C industry, medical technology, and precision instrumentation.